Leaky gutter seams are the sneakiest way your house starts to get water damage, so fixing that old sealant is a must before things get messy. Okay, so first thing, you gotta scrape off all that old sealant like it's crusty glue stuck on forever. Make sure to clean the area real good with some rubbing alcohol or a strong cleaner, so there's no dirt or grime messing with the new sealant sticking. When you pick your new sealant, go for one that specifically says it's waterproof and made for gutters or outdoor use. This isn't the time to be cheap. Use a caulking gun or squeeze tube to lay down a nice, even bead right on the seam, then smooth it out with your finger or a tool to make sure it covers everything and seals tight. Don't rush this part because if you miss spots or get air bubbles, you're going to have leaks again. Let it dry fully, which can take a day or two depending on the weather, and try not to mess with it while it cures. If your gutters are super old or beat up, consider checking the whole system for rust or damage while you're at it. Lastly, keep an eye on those seams every season to catch any new cracks before they turn into a bigger headache. One of the biggest mistakes people make with leaking gutter seams is just slapping on new sealant without removing the old stuff. That old sealant stops the new stuff from sticking properly and leads to leaks again quick. Another common issue is using the wrong type of sealant that can't handle water or temperature changes, so always pick a product made for gutters or outdoor waterproofing. Also, not smoothing out the sealant after applying means air bubbles or gaps can form, which water loves to sneak through, so take your time making it nice and even. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on jobs like gutter repairs. Contractors get a steady flow of work too, so everyone wins when you use their platform for finding pros who get the job done right the first time.